Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from thecaesarlife.com, and at this time of recording, it is Saturday, so you know I got the boxing class. Going forward, I'm going to be subbing in and out of today's class. But before I get into that detail, let's honor my man's work right here, a Boston local. You've probably seen his designs around Boston a lot. I'll leave his link in the description below. Awesome artist. You know, you gotta support the local art, man. And he's outfitted links with some dope artwork. And I might be commissioning him for an art piece for my office, so you might be seeing that in the walls of my background sometime. All right. Anyway, today we're going to go back to basics today. I'm going to be covering my famous ladder drill in our first boxing combination series, and that ladder drill is 1-1-2, 1-2-3, 1-2-3-2. Right? It gets them like high volume of punches and getting them set, just keeping it super simple so that they can execute it with good form. Because the more you repeat the same combinations, the more that they start to get it. They start to see something within these combinations that translates into all of the fundamentals of boxing, right? So I want to ingrain this same sort of concept in their minds, in the athletes' minds that takes the class, so that whatever future combinations I throw their way, they're able to handle it, or whatever boxing classes that they take in the future, they are able to handle it. So we're keeping it super simple with just this combination to start, and then we're going to add a little bit more complexity within the second one, blend them all together in the third round, and then tire them out with all the strength circuits lined up around the room. So enough talking, let me get finished designing it, and we'll show you what it looks like on the board.
Check it out now.
All right, okay, so we are done here. Awesome class. Awesome. Yeah. Back at the crib now. Everybody was taking a nap, so I took a nap too. Now I'm gonna go wake up baby Papa, because he's been sleeping for about 2 hours now. And look at him, he's still asleep. Oh, are you awake? Ready to hang out with daddy? Huh? Alright, let's go. Yeah, I found this awesome playlist. What is it called? On Spotify. I Love My 90s Hip Hop. So if you're a hip hop head, check out I Love My 90s Hip Hop on Spotify. They got some tough tunes out there. So I'm about to go do some dishes while I'm bumping this right now. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Straight to the rack. That's what I'm talking about. So, baby Papa has like a little runny nose, but we'll see if we can take him out. I'm not sure if he has like a little cold or a little flu. What's going on? Can I get a hug?
Babe, I have like a...
Lunchtime. Headed for a walk around the neighborhood now. We're at his favorite spot now, the Tot Lot. He just loves pushing those cars. Look at that. Whatever that has wheels, he's on it. Now he wants that girl's car. Watch. He really wants her car. Yep. He's like, when is she gonna get out? August. Look, another one. You whipping that? Look, another one. Popping out on them boys. All right, so the homie Terry just hit me up and was like he's having a grill session at his crib. So from the park, went to Whole Foods, grab a couple of dogs and burgers. Now I'm about to head over there and kick it for the afternoon, man, rest of the evening. Let's go. Yo, so we are at the homie Terry's crib. I told him about this barbecue, how you spontaneously hit me up. Yo, introduce yourself to the fam, man.
I'm Steve, personal trainer at Lynx.
At Lynx, this is the Lynx family right
Lynx
over
family
here,
right
man.
here. Right here, baby.
One
Get
of
some chips and guac.
Yeah, chips and guac. We barbecuing
This
in
is
the beautiful
Mila.
South End. Where Mila at?
She's always the star of the show.
Yeah, always the star of the show. Can't get away. So we're just here waiting for some more of them to pile in. I'll introduce them as they come. And yeah, we're gonna just kick it for a beautiful, beautiful Saturday afternoon, man. Right? And that's about it. What up, buddy? What's going on, Coach Ron?
I'll talk to you soon.
No, it's his second one, as in he had another Jeep before that.
Oh, he sold it?
And he
new one out
updated.
there?
Yeah. That's
How
a
new
new
is it?
one.
Back and forth. Look at it. Look at Henry. Look at this. Is out of
So
control.
we got roped into walking these dogs.
This is out of- I cannot wait to bring it around y'all too.
We got roped into walking these dogs, and then
Hors d'oeuvres
we
time.
got Mila and Henry, these little divas right here.
Hey, boy. Got a little jungle to play.
Beautiful, still a beautiful night, right, guys? All right. So with that being said, after these dogs are walked, we're gonna just kick it for a little bit more. So I'm gonna end the video here. All right, thank you guys for watching. Holla at us.
Caesar,
You know where to
like
find
famous.
us. You know where to find us.